Meaning of developer.
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 Developer. A developer is someone who creates, designs, and programs computer software, applications, and systems. They work to solve problems and bring ideas to life using various programming languages and tools. Developers are responsible for researching, testing, and debugging their code to ensure it functions correctly. They may work independently or as part of a team of developers, collaborating with designers and other stakeholders to create functional and user-friendly products. Ultimately, developers play a crucial role in the technology industry, driving innovation and shaping the digital landscape that we interact with every day.